Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to be unboxing the BABYZEN YOYO Plus cup holder. We just did a video yesterday unboxing and assembling the BABYZEN YOYO Plus stroller. If you haven't checked that one out, click on the link up in the corner. And now we're going to take a look at the cup holder. So I've had a couple strollers over the year and a half since he's been born, and basically you have to have a cup holder of some sort. Even if you're not a big coffee drinker, you know, in Hong Kong it's really hot in the summer. We use the cup holder on our other stroller every time for his water, if not for our water. And so some of them have it for the kids, some of them have it for the adults, some of them have them both. You definitely need something. So anyway, let's take a look inside the box. I'm going to try to balance my kid and open at the same time. So please cooperate. Okay, yeah. So these things go for about $30 US, which is quite pricey considering it's, it's just a simple cup holder. But in the big scheme of things, this is like a $500 stroller. It's definitely worth it, especially considering how much you use it. So let's take a look inside the box. And it's really simple. It's one piece and it's already assembled. And it basically just clicks on the side frame pieces. Oh, okay. And the box can be reused too. So the design is pretty simple. It's basically just a cup holder with this clamp that snaps on. And this thing can also swivel. So let's put it on the frame. So because this frame is actually like an oval shaped, it's not round, you take this guy and you put it on the narrow side and it can snap on, and then you just sort of twist it and it snaps in place on the wider side. And so now you can adjust this to fit. So yeah, you could put it here, you can put it on the other side, you can put it further down. You could also try snapping it on other parts of the frame, so let's try it down here. Totally fits, so it's a little bit closer to the kid. You could even try snapping it on down here on the front. Not too bad. Actually, this would be good for the kid because it's right by their hand, but probably a bad idea when you're actually using it outside because who knows what you're going to hit and it's going to pop off. This is pretty good, like ABS plastic, so I don't think it'll completely shatter if you hit something, but probably not even worth it to risk it. Just put it up higher. And last but not least, let's actually see what happens if you try to fold this stroller up with the cup holder still on. I imagine it'll probably just bump into the wheels, but let's give it a try. So first you want to fold the handle down, and now this includes the cup holder, and I guess it can fold out of the way, and then let's just grab and pull, and what happens? Oh, actually not too bad, doesn't interfere at all. So you kind of have to swivel it maybe a little bit, but overall, you can actually keep it on there. So you want to be careful that you don't break it on anything, but basically, if you just had to stick it in the trunk of a car, you could probably leave it on. Okay, so that's it for the cup holder on the BABYZEN YOYO Plus. Thanks again to BABYZEN Hong Kong for lending me the stroller and the accessories for these videos. Check them out if you haven't in the links on the side and down below. And do give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Okay, see you next time here on the Clueless Dad. Bye. Having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.